What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm going to share with you, my people. TT, Annie, Anna, the whole of them make fun of London, my people. You see me, I say? And right now, TikTok police, him there, Annie yard. You see me, see one video where Annie I go cook stew peas for TikTok police, my people. So, we are going to see a live tie-in on the internet for the first time. A man I get tied live. You see me I say? People, who don't believe say them really can tie people in a stupids, let me know in the comment section. We also have Jabas and Annie link up with people. Annie confront Jabas about the behavior of him and the lion man yesterday. You know what I mean? Where them a say them want to mash up our relationship and something. Seeing Jaga, you know, my people, me hear the persons them a say him don't have a license and Jaga a drive all over the place with the car. Him even pick up Annie and TikTok police scene and drive them go home at Annie yard. You understand what I say? So more know if him have license or him don't have none. You see, because if him not have a license, a problem that him a bring upon himself. You see it? So we also have Diamond my people. Diamond run out from King Donia in the wickedest way because King Donia must say some things about she and figure it out. But guess what my people? Diamond did say some things about King Donia. So it look like say the dog a carry grievance for a longer time. And then now Diamond say boy him not like how King Donia you know what I mean? Every chance him get, him try disrespect her. Upon a level with people, let me tell you something. You cannot disrespect a person or say something about a person, hurt them feelings or whatever, and then you are going to tell them how to respond to you and when to stop. You know what I mean? Because some people carry grudges, and them hold on upon feelings for long. So, Daima can't tell Donia when to turn off and when to turn on when it comes to she and how him feel. You see me? So, I don't know if I left out nothing with people. Also, maybe add more things as we go on, so we could get in it, we could kick it off.
So food like Ramgo, give us your Ramgo.
Hey, as Monica say, police take every cent for all the car paper too.
There's a share video, I got share video.
I don't. I don't feel good, you know.
Sim one. Ernst, where you say?
So let me ask you a question.
Alright.
Something new. Something new. Who the electrical rifle?
No,
but what me I say turnstile, he need to come from out of the closet.
Look here, mistake, I'm catching this. You catching it?
You know how to come down?
Mistaken. Sorry, I was listening. You know to come down?
You know how to come down?
Yeah.
Okay. You're one of the lucky ones.
And if you hear this and you don't go to that.
Yeah.
What sunshine?
Maganai.
Good body sound the pussy have been a engine.
Now what kind of engine you have? Now which one of the engine? Take out
You're laughing in the trap.
the engine out of the
Here.
should I?
Let me know the police have braces for the teeth, then they now cut up the rifle.
Ma. And he run. Man, it's so poison down there.
The fashion braces will poison the pokey, you know.
So who can say Annie might not have something to share then now in the
Hey, if me wake up tomorrow and I see TikTok police are not here in 19, I'm going to explain. You know,
So good police.
Up in the braces.
Jamaican man don't do that.
you know, so don't try to some bad people, you know.
If you use a page for them, can they want to get to come in to come explode?
No, sir.
Patricia Williams, what's
I'm not sleeping tonight because the light.
Maybe I make trouble, I'm not even feel well. I'm not half. That's what I would tell them, say, yes. Mom, they have meeting.
Oh, where's Patricia?
Man, they're going in tonight.
Patricia, what's up?
Come there on top of the screen.
You know, come down.
Okay.
Eh?
You know if you come
Learn to
down.
use the phone tonight.
We ain't know you know if you come down. Patricia. You know if you come. Patricia, if you use our phone. Anybody we can't take down themselves sunshine, one money gone.
Yeah. She said, don't take them down. Learn to use phone. Boy. Oh, God. Mr. Animal,
You see a wheelchair engine you trust every day. A wheelchair engine and it's up my avenue.
wheelchair engine.
Oh my God.
No,
No, God, you know.
All right, look here now. Talk it through track. Don't tell me if I'm wrong track. Imagine, and you have so much money, and you buy the lease and feel like she buy the house or whatever. You want to tell me say you can't pay the board the raw price? You can't buy a piece of linen and put on the floor?
And you're not.
Don't buy no here. Just fix up the shop here, Annie. Up a police.
Annie kept the people empty house, yeah. Who find buy nothing now pay for nothing?
Them say one hospital bed in there, one chandelier. And so them say the toilet lean so. So when Annie sit down pan if you do anything, she have to catch one or put up so and catch one down. So
You know what happened? Somebody from the hospital bed passed away. And the house abandoned and Annie go be a squatter. And you know,
you know, say for you see Tik Tok police barely one kiss her. Is a prank or something one of them plan up here now if you try to get the focus off of the other couple them.
Jabba tonight, meeting a one way night. Jabba and Jenna, Anya and police. It's the four of them.
Yeah, it's a thing to take with the focus from the other contenders. That
And I bet they don't do it. And I bet they don't do
the
it.
other contenders them have money.
Monica, police don't have no money. Police not no clothes. You understand? Police not no care.
Oh God, Sunshine, put up your cash up. We're gonna get some clothes to Tik Tok police. We're gonna rent one Benz dream. Like how the other guy my BMW rent him a Benz. Put him in a competition.
hold on there,
Them like competition. Them not really competition.
Sometimes they don't lie. Police have a car and the Flintstone. They're too wicked.
Annie, me gonna make you know this. As big and fluffy as Rosalie is, you can't step on Rosalie when she dressed. Me I tell her that. Yes.
We never really see Annie dress. Sunshine, we can't say how we never see really Annie dress at the little Chinese for clothes then we see her in a, so we don't know.
So you go see more dressing than that?
We don't know that. Maybe
Yeah,
she talk about body, you know, so maybe she want to do her body too, so
She forgot to do the curl them and her bottom teeth them.
Jesus, Monica, them the one.
so, Monica, why should I do it when she have Lando and Tik Tok police are suck it out? Me not do it either. If them man they are diving at it, so and some girl with them pretty face and single and don't know to see Annie with the whole of the side her puna and lean like it toilet in her house and she still have man. No can't talk to Annie. Me the pa Annie side say a minute.
Back in the time, Flintstone. And he want the Flintstone. He want what Flintstone really in the hand?
Kind of reaction.
Shea body look good. The girl
Not
body
in a
look
like master shea, but it turn good. It turn up. It even look like nothing.
good. And her waist small.
Yeah, no look like she do nothing to her body. She look natural to me.
She
don't know if she
yeah,
good.
She look good. Me hear Anya say a class she but she sell pussy. She this, she that.
Exactly. Me want to fight Annie. Annie ugly no blood.
So me I say, Annie, if you go, yes,
And she plan for marry that man who sell money.
And if you stay by the man, then we cut
What
out
do-
them
so
food and
what-
turn
what
it in
they
a
want?
vagina.
Remember say I sell Tik Tok police. I did I sell the youth. Look.
The people, if me not wrong still, you know, I do think Tik Tok police have a car. I think him have a Honda Civic. You see me I say, if me not wrong, me see him with a Honda Civic already. So tell me in the comment section, do you have a car or not? You see me? Because if him a animal right now and thing, And Jagger feel like say him alone I go drive the car there. If him not the car, he make a sad mistake. A Tik Tok police I go drive that the car there from now on if him don't have a car because him no drive the car gone down at any yard. So I guess him a go have that the car there drive. And remember me tell you people it a go cause problem. Let me know how the thinking of the comment where I watch someone then move on to the next.
Pan him batty now.
They say all any gun shaking too. I went to Blandy. Know me, me can't laugh. No Blandy, know me.
Blandy, give me a phone tonight. Every night you come here.
Blandy says all any gun shaking.
How she find me? Because she come here when I come to Shamar. She's in a airport. She's in Trish in a airport.
Me know say she come like that.
Blandy, give me come and shake to her.
Me never know you come can shake.
Anyone.
Sunshine. You know, say mental health real.
And any black and stay bad. No?
Mental health, it told them need to go to the hospital. Like, I don't know how them look so.
So you say mental health.
Missy Brit just a come out and sickness and Brit look so good. And you hard to fix on your daughter.
Romeo look nice.
Yeah, and them hard to fix so. Them want different species. Me not think them really no man. Them not human.
Really, you know why she hard to fix? You know, the boy touch you up there, up and the next really girl and follow behind her.
You know, say someone, you know, say me sometimes people walk up here so they look and you like, actually, you know, someone.
Who said she work over here? Who said she work over here?
No, Redan says so, you know, Redan says she walk up here pan him make him walk. You never hear him pan the screen recording.
And they look evil. Come like, come not see. Uno doesn't look on the front part now, they look right inside and honey. I'm not sure him.
So when you want to go do that to your son-in-law? And your daughter child father?
And true, she look like she can walk and spread it. And it look like
Annie, if you are listening, please I'm asking you, I best you go back where my name. Lando. Police like men.
She said Lando, she said what that Lando do her. She said she don't know Lando put her through her. Oh, Lando have a woman here at the baby.
She said Lando they around 60 a day when I'm going to pop her and bring a puppy in a old broke down game.
So let me ask you a question. No, you read and say in a real life what make Anna like him at two. Him pick Anna over she. Anna did want to.
Yeah.
Funny, but Kupa honey too. Redan say better.
Me hear that scream record.
Redan say run. Take your baby go find all day. Now the two of them do a day.
And then I never scream record me hear it pan. Me did see the live. Me did dip on the live. They I watch the live. Me never dip on it.
When is this a Dominica?
Yeah.
I true Caribbean Island and in it where us rest our all. She want to keep up with our daughter them. She want to keep up with our daughter them. Oh, me punani feel so heavy in the night. Clean. Me can't bother them stress. I know me all over.
Blandy, give me a phone. Blandy, give me a phone.
Blandy,
again.
Sunshine, me a video with God, oh Jesus, and God leave right. Lord God Almighty. Blandy, do. Me don't feel well. Don't make me laugh.
Look here, me say police.
Police don't have no comeback to come back.
Police look like
never know how much less to come back.
Sell the phone. Police look like a man like sell the phone, me say.
Alright, circle ends, but now, head boy, look up yourself. Alright.
And Tik Tok police never know if you both him fall off. Him no fall off, because he never fall on in the first place.
Them police, Tik Tok police now for a new man to they give puppy that too. How should I talk about that?
No laughing in the chat.
You never know, third time, head boy.
No, no tap tell lie, no say deputy. Deputy, you know mind spice come. I think I did him no say deputy, you not give me head boy tonight. He must deputy.
Wait till tomorrow, man.
By saying now, look.
deputy. Wait till a man in the film, I know if I'm a deputy or I'm a blood.
Yes, Monica.
Boy.
So you're number one.
When Angel
Monica,
and
wait
me to them
until
rub
tomorrow.
him.
Mister, it's your love. Them they sing they couldn't see my jazz catches. Them they look dirty nasty man. They couldn't see my jazz. Them see me I would and call to me. Me get ignorant and knife.
No, but what me I say, me not like bad mind, man. Me not like say bad mind because you see Rosalie and Kim go out and say they run down for police. They want to even up. What kind of material? Someone with material name?
Yabadi.
I man, I see.
I see. I don't know super expensive material. I don't know.
Not engaged.
Plastic. And the long time velvet them.
Yeah, they're long time velvet. Yeah.
A velvet fraction they have on since night?
Yeah, velvet down on top or silk. Silk, the expensive clothes. And you can wear silk. Or satin. None of them the Annie can wear a velvet where they use wrap casket. The material they use wrap poor casket.
Oh, Jesus.
Right, that's up.
Yeah.
First time velvet casket did a casket, you will stop it.
But the poor people buried a velvet casket.
First time velvet casket, I did casket.
Sunshine at the first time, I know we did.
Back then. But then now you again. Then now you there again.
No, it's not very like. When name Naya, me love your casket.
That be no lie, but that is that. Me not even go back in that. Me not
like Naya.
And
evidence out the blandy. Me know you don't want to take off
Annie,
such woman, but
you
that
will want a glass round your fist stand up like Naya, my love.
But Monica, the whole like woman here side pick out blood like a drunk of alcohol.
Actually, man, them every night and night time I walk a shredder.
Not even they'll see it, we gonna look like an head.
It look like the wig where Zoe man and the one where Annie did have when they were there sentenced back night here.
You know, say me can't bother, we don't know. Hey, you know, say police and Annie picking them over the car, the Annie's son. I'm a woman driver.
Police put them to start driving. You never know.
Yeah.
I've got Annie police put them a Christian.
Got the keys, I better stick to Indian Flintstone. Draga when they teach his sister them how to drive to them.
I mean, everybody a drive out Annie.
Everybody a drive out
One day
Annie.
when they learn to drive to them as Zoe. Mika said,
Sunshine. You know if it's a pretty or nothing, that's an Adi. That is a Howdy. Howdy. Adi looks up. You want to come and dream weekend? Come to Adi. Antono. Well, Adi.
How this year? How this year no name person?
Yeah, but you not no name no man, no laughing. Stop laughing in the chat. Aye, how you?
Black Clady. Company. Here, and you will get over here, so you know. Sunshine, stop break down.
Blandy, you see your Blandy? You see Blandy?
Play with Blandy, me stop play around too rough now. But you say if the police bite up on the body, can make him make way to go in there.
Rascal, that was this year. Me can't bother, yeah, man. Me can't bother. Me say murderation, botheration, all kind of ration. Blandy, go put on your phone and go. Blandy, go on your bed.
Alright, my people. So, we are going to watch less than a minute more of this. I'll move on to the next. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
They're laughing in the chat.
Chanshan, tell where it starts. Tell where it starts, Chanshan. Come in the box, come tell where it starts. About this page is over here, sir.
Poster. Good morning, baby. Thank you so much. Big up to everybody. Well, tell me congratulations. Big up to everybody who there for me. I never know. It's on a serious note. No joke. Good morning, baby. I never did get a chance to enjoy my first car. It no matter if I want piece of old wagon or one piece of old, what you call it, taxi. Or remember the old car there? What the old car them name? It no matter if I did one ladder. It no matter if my first car was a ladder. You get me? Right? Lada, thank you. It no matter if I did one whole piece of lada me buy. Me just did one full joy and enjoy. You get what me I said? Me no get no chance. Me no get no chance to full joy. You understand what me I say? Me no get no chance to full joy my car. You get me anywhere me go a problem with my car, like people always are watching car, me can't go nowhere at all. The car viral, everything them talk about the car. Must stop, you know. And the car wants some coolant. You get me? And when me take a stock to rotted well, me did and we are putting the coolant in the car. And you know say people start videoing. People start video with people, them come out and a video we like literally and then post here and say the car broke down. Yeah. Right? From me get the car never broke down. From me get the car, it never broke down. I never enjoy my car, my first car. So me expect yesterday, you know, when time the engagement are going on so. I never expect that so them would have pre me. Like everything them take like a joking thing and them no respect what me do. You get what me I say? Alright, they would give me the little chance to just enjoy. You understand? Me no matter what. Could have one bag wire him can come give me and it mean it from him heart. Me not have a problem. I could have been one bag wire in wrap up. Yeah, while I mute. Come out of this. Come out of this. I will if I wanna get mute and black over here. You see me? I could have a piece of bag wire. Good morning, baby. Those, if you so no love me then, and you say you did it for me, come rate did it and, you know, did it for me, cheer for me, make me feel good at the end of the day because you say you love me and you're my family, by the way, I can't call you my friend. Right? To you tell people say you love me and rate me. Brother, I'm not about no views and peace and no hype. It's about a moment. You understand what I say? I'm not frightened for no ring because this is not the first ring me get. Seriously, you know, this is not the first ring me get. Me get proposed to 3 times. 3 times. You understand me? And me turn them down. You understand? Me just turn down the wedding. Me never go ahead with the wedding. You get me? So 3 times. This I go make 4. And me accept female. Right? Why what? Why you turn them down? Alright, so you want to talk about that? You want to talk about that? Alright, so my first engagement is when we did the overseas. When we did the Barbados. That was my first engagement. Yeah. So my first jobbers called me. My first engagement I did with my baby father overseas. Love you, baby. Morning. That the man they treat me good. Me not lie to you. So that the man they proposed to me. And when I come out, like me get sent out of the country. Yeah, me they get deport. Right? So the way they never get to continue. Like me don't go married to that man there, you know. Me not go married to the man. Morning, baby. I was gonna marry to that man because that the man there.
What you say me do?
Yeah, you don't like me.
Why you say me not like a girl? Me not have a phone. Why you not come by my phone come talk to me?
Because me feel like talk. Make me feel like talk because everything they out in our public. Everything in our public. Me not say nothing bad. I'm not saying anything bad. Una shabby yesterday. I wanna deal with my thing real shabby and disgusting yesterday.
Oh, explain to me. Explain to me, no mother. Tell me now how.
And he said, "Oh, no, come and deal with my thing. When did I say $11,000 ring?"
I never miss sister Jagga sister to Jaden. That's
yeah,
one.
Jagga too. Me I push Jagga in there too.
Yeah, but alright, that the part I never miss. So me pass the stage. Give me the next one now.
Yeah.
Alright, my people. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Cause here Anya say how much time she get proposed to. You know what I mean? And some woman, some girl never get proposed to in that them live out a lifetime and never get a man go down on one knee for them. So let me know what you think in the comment, my people. I watch some more.
You just get the whole blame. Me can't size out.
But you can't blame me, bro, because scream record or go on with your cuss when the people will see a ton gets.
Holy, the funny way you talk, holy with you and Jaden, like seriously. You could have just did it for me.
Them never did it for you, then cuss me a cuss the boy and say if you ramp with them, I got this him.
Right. Let me pinpoint you now. Me remember because my brains discoil I get up. Me beg
I comment, man.
No,
I comment.
no,
Comment, tell you.
I can't stay so. Look at my face. My beg.
Quinton, man. Me Quinton. I remember my baby. Me not this him, love him.
So, alright, watch you now. All the part where you come in now and you go boss this big surprise for me about two smaddy named Whitey. And
Don't go do that, Annie, because we say we are going to mash up a wedding because we don't get invitation and them a black wheel, so we say we are going to go do Annie.
So that was because you don't get an invitation, they didn't want to crash the whole thing? So you
finna fucking invite me. I went since you left me out.
Me not left you out, but Jabas right now you are pastor with me. So me not understand.
No, but the boy I try push me out of the picture and you see it. I mean in the picture me cause problem.
Jabas, you can't get pushed out of no picture. When you come on to me, you know say nobody can push you out of a picture.
You have 4 boy picking it.
Yes.
So 2 fit in a picture, 2 out there. You mad?
Jabas, let me make sure me lock out Jaka. You, Jaden.
You mad? And Jaka tell me saying they up there.
They up there spot. Me lock him out and we down there so him they come in and want him up there because I'm a problem too. By the way, I didn't want to run with the back of wine before nothing start.
And him tell me everything what go on. I mean no say ringing a cake before you even bite it.
Jeez.
Jaga tell me everything and me feel left out and I say imagine everything and he come to me for advice but me I say you don't know because surprise. So me I say Jaga them a tell me a Tik Tok police talk boy now want me and Jaden for night. Me not like that. Me not like that and Jaden not like that neither. So we decide say already a corruption. So me just make up 2 names give you and I will go on myself.
Really?
Yeah, because me feel left out. Big marriage, big proposal, and it take internet and me no unite. You're mad? Everybody a fall in love, a find couple around the internet, and the one know when me then feed them circle, me can't get peace of fight. You know, I put worries over this blood clot. Yeah.
You're too disgusting, I swear to God.
You know go because first thing
no, seriously,
me Rosalie them, we not plan go line, so me can't then feed them clothes. Me not going to feed them them clothes. Me are coming to fear clothes. I am my mother.
Jabas, it's not to say you never gonna do that. You were gonna be there, of course. But we just didn't want that little moment. You have to just get over that and enjoy that little moment here. So not like me never wanted it. You know nobody can lock you out them type of way when you come on to me.
What you come like that boy I try do? You don't see Annie, you blind?
Imagine can try. Come on. Me no fool for ring. Jabas a 3 times I get engaged. By the way, I'm 4 now. I'm an absent female. So no first me get a ring.
Oh, you turn on the rest of one them?
Yeah.
So how about this one as well? You really feel it? The butterfly, them you tell them what you really feel if it's true.
Jabas. Yeah, I love him man. Like literally, I connect with him.
I tell you, say, if you love the man, me not go bash him. Me go work with you because what you say. Because me a friend. Me have to believe in a your thing. Me can't say already true me not like in ways them me go fight. You know me I go believe in a way you a do. So if eventually when change up your thing and you start work for true, me can say yes, me they have my support.
Well that is it. Because I just look for changes where he might come with he make a step, I'm like the step where he make. You understand? So just look and see what I'm really up to.
Well, me like when I make a little move, then he come up a Christian there, and he said the little thing and he do the little thing and show you saying serious, he never hide it, bring it public, something like that.
Yeah, bye, baby. You never
me see one man on one For You page, a ball like a bitch.
Who that?
A ball, but what money gone? What money gone? Different guy water and nose not and bugu, you know.
For real?
As on God.
Who that? Yonder?
Yes. God know last night, I swear.
How wicked somebody that?
And I think that talk about this something, yeah. He wouldn't be, I swear. And he ball your fuck. Good morning and blessed over prosperity.
Hey,
RT, big up yourself, RT. Me have one more wheel to catch a live goal. If you can give me a start and blessing.
Look here, you see that the man the Jabas, me there with him for 11 years. 11 years and it don't work out.
But you know with him.
You see me?
And you try with him. And you try with him. You always go back.
Jabas, me try with the man a mama man. No joke.
So make it and then. So if you want to try back with Tik Tok police, me agree with you. Try back if you work, you work. If you don't work, RT, thank you, my bro. Alright, good. I get my life goal now. I set it to blood clot money gun now. Cause no over here, I'm not really having. I mean, I'm pressure on because Mrs. no broke. So 50 money gun chat. 50 money gun to you. Jabba can promote a party in Klein on September 13 for me. Darling, you can send me 10 money gun for me. A joke. Yeah, me can do it still. Text me, I'm do it, me get one ads. You always a gift me, so I'm going to do it for you. Whether you gift me or not. Then what you call police? When I call police, no, I'm not busy with him and Annie. If Annie say I'm man, Annie man. If Annie say I'm a man, I'm Annie man. Anything Annie say that me I work with. Me don't go to get corrupt and I chat my bag of things because me feel left out and me jealous. So me just stay. Jaden come, we go crash a wedding. So I was just trying to be a wedding crasher. Nothing else. And then I see Annie smiling and laughing and going in some way where she don't stop blush like now. So me say, you know what? Make she happy. Because I like when she happy. When she happy, it better for her. Because if them don't stress her out already. Son not stress him out, daughter stress him out, then don't stress him out already. So if you get little happiness and now making it and everyone then take a bush.
Thank you. Let me take it.
Everyone then take a bush. Nobody not perfect. Everybody have man, we have flaws. And everyone have their flaws. So no come out of people blood clot business come to think of it and love them.
That is
see you ring on her finger about with the ring. They say a big old 2-piece ring. Someone are married in a 1 piece. So what wrong if the boy is Annie's son? What is wrong if it's a younger boy in Annie's life? What is wrong with it? Nobody never tell you if you go take up no old man with them shrivel up balls.
Thank you, baby.
Nobody never tell you if you go take up no old man with sugar.
You know, say differently still with people. When it come to Lando, me know say Lando love Annie on a level. The first time I know Annie and my people and Lando, you know. First time I really see them on social media and take on to them. Annie and Lando, like Annie break up with him and the dog go over Annie yard and one piece or something. She have to even left her yard and go up a one different place go stay because the man they her yard and me swear say the man did go analyze himself over Annie, you know. The man say him go analyze himself, you know, my people. Yo, the man go out with a piece of sitting. Like first time that me I get introduced to Annie and Lando. You see me I say? So me think say Lando have more love for Annie than Tik Tok police. But let me know what other think.
And a pampas and you have to clean him. So if you man want to take up a young boy for your business that.
Jesus Christ, Jabba's a one of a kind, yeah.
Yeah, anything Annie said that me I work with. Rest what kind of friend, this woman I walk a fuck down the place. Drunk or come out of my comment section.
I saw the intern man, but then go and talk Jabba's. You know where go. Jabba's where party, where you say party go today?
You know, say it's a water party. I plan to wear one white Air Force and white socks and one nice colored short shorts and one white top and just have one little water gun swing around me and just mad up here. Santa ATI, big something. Okay. See them kind of settings like where we done some man upscale with the way pat up and them vibe.
Oh, maybe them are gonna come though, but me know me not gonna come.
Yeah, then can forward man. You can make them. Miami, don't make me tell you go suck your mama in a girl. Don't make me this over here now. Don't make me this here.
Good morning.
Me and you will talk off the air pan that baby.
Yeah, me talk about it.
But Santa 80 active. You want to play too much in there, man?
Yeah, me play one now.
Cause number 2 me there now, number 1 more go, you know.
That's already, you get up and start already.
Around 6 o'clock me over here, cause I go a party last night and pop this blood clot thing and it come like it can't come out of my brain, you know. So me can't sleep.
So wide walk, man. I can't even sleep. Yeah, congratulations, thank you, baby.
I would say number 1, you better come down. Oh.
Maka black moderator,
I'll be a walker. You go with me later.
Lift up from your song.
But I wait about later too, you know, girl. Chat first triple. Beg on somebody first triple. Let do. Beg on some money gun. Beg on some money gun.
First triple chat.
Just cool and just ease up a woman, man. Ease up a bro. Me brain. Ease up a woman, bro.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Worry about phone life. Low people they live for them. Make them one mistake. Where?
Thank you. Thank you for the money gun, Queen. Queen, thank you for the rose.
So when you leave my talk, I just joke me and make and just run to
and some of them take it serious. Mercy, thank you, baby. Thank you, guys. Everybody.
When time, me boy, I go and me text Annie, I say, Annie, me say, hear me, me say, don't engage and I dead with laugh. Ask Annie if I not text him.
Yeah.
Annie know me no blood clot mean that.
He text me, like literally text me on WhatsApp, so me know everything already.
Oh, your mother died in Miami. Sorry about that, darling. But don't be here troubling somebody else's mother that is living, okay? If your mommy died, I'm sorry about that. My regards to you and condolence to you. But don't be over here troubling somebody else's mother that is living. So what you don't like for yourself, don't do it for yourself. Okay, darling? Sorry about that. And sorry to tell you go suck your mama. But it was just a little mishap. So don't trouble people, mother. We're living and fear we pass and gone. Sorry about the condolence. Relax. Chat, 13 rows.
13 rows, guys. Each person 1 rose, chat. Each person 1 rose.
Chat, 13 rows on the shoe, because Junker, them want to fall me off.
Come on, chat.
Junker, tell the people them say they don't shoot for me. Dirty dog shit, them tell the people them say they don't shoot for me. Else them are going to unfollow them. And through they have a bigger page, every people them follow them for you and shoot for me. Don't follow them and phone the money, spend it one on.
Come on, guys. We could catch his speed. Each person 1 rose, baby. Each person drop a rose, guys.
One.
Come on, guys. Each person.
I'm going.
Jabba says, I them on the internet. Them love texting serious.
Chat with the chip here, man.
Boss Steve, pick up yourself. Guys, come on, guys. Thank you. Thank you
sister.
So much.
Yesterday I've had to go sit down to you, my sister.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Triple chat, triple. No make you win, you know.
Yeah, I don't know nobody. Pull up in the yeah, be a feeling to my carry. Pull up in the yeah, I don't trust nobody. Pull up in the yeah, be a feeling to my carry. Dembo. MVP, big up yourself, man, bro. MVP, Miss Clark, big up yourself, Miss Sophisticated, Jenny, Janice, Coco, Ladybug. Thank you so much. Well, Anna. Auntie, me a forward there. Come here, go bust off their head now. Father. So why them would put pipe down here? Yeah, judge I got Dembo. Bad Dembo. Pull up in the yeah, be a feelings and I carry. Pull up in the tough one. No, tough one that idiot. You can get a bucket of water too. Please. Drive it. Where drive go? Where no one go chat? What Friday? Guys, 8 person 1 roast chat. 8 person 1 roast chat. 8 person. Them boy, big up yourself. 7 person 1 roast chat. That was 6 of this boy.
That boy Jagga suck out. Jagga don't deal with me in a big batty boy Jagga.
So like.
That boy don't deal with me in a man a play up in a batty in a Jagga. Don't deal with me in a pussy.
You. Nobody feel like I can diss my step boy. So lift up big belly boy. Fuck the dog. What up here? Chat Rose chat. Rose, me know I follow up them big belly boy and that. I follow up them store boy then. That looks right. Pull up in the yeah, be a feelings in my carry. Pull up in the yeah, I don't trust nobody. You that you're just not trust the bro. Make all people are saying a bubble gum for your mouth. It's bubble gum for your mouth. It's saying a straight. It's saying a straight. Blood class for the night coming about passing that way. Blow the fucking hard, you know. One Mr. Sophisticated. Guys. We not no gloves chat. Chat, we not no gloves. Asa? The boy them put on the metal bumbo class. Yo, they put the other bug over make it look like some bitch dog. Pull up in the RDA, I don't trust nobody. Pull up in the RDA, be a feeling job as a carry. Pull up.
People, the way I see it is when it comes to Lando. Lando is the shoulder to cry on, but Tik Tok police now is the DICK to ride on. Yeah man, when nothing now go on too tough, when Annie and Tik Tok police mash up and she in her feelings and want somebody to, you know what I mean, Lando that. You see it. So, want to tell more to think the people, we watch some more.
Up in the RDA, I don't trust nobody. Pull up in the RDA, be a feeling job as a carry. Bad man, I kill them pretty. Not you, bro. I just comment section. I move away and out of nowhere. Banana mad in a dog, so the comments them just easy. They didn't do no comment section, dog. Book, I'm saying. You win a car. But they talk about car this and car that. I'm gonna do good with some soup, you know. I'm not pay them no mind. I'm the boss there, you know. Boss. Yeah, man, I'm the boss there, man. Go on, you look hungry, man. Hey, Bobo Chobo. Yo, RT, beg your lion now. Yo.
Wagwan. My sister, I get close to the car, man.
Yeah, I dump it back, man.
Huh?
I dump it, man.
Yes, clot. Front seat, me Jesus.
I dump it, man.
You win, man, my boy. You win, my boy. Sorry. You win, my boy. You win.
My dad. Something for smoke, no? You know, we have to win already, man. See them back, you know. You know me talk.
Let's get some taps in, please, and thanks. Why go now, married man?
Me I drive it.
Yo! Yes, I are driving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm a police person.
Somebody black Joel something, please.
Jesus Christ, nobody with it, man, I'm alive, you know.
I know why you're saying LOL, not Joel's, because you're gone.
Nah, I never done that. That's absolutely before me know what I'm going.
How do you want to come drive with you? That's ghosting.
Phenomenal is still there, Phenomenal. Phenomenal, are you still here? Phenomenal, is still here?
Porter. RT boss, I drop a line.
Yes, I represent. Pat, you have a gloves, right?
What person want to chat?
What? How them here?
Morning.
Hey, me.
Morning.
I'm a fiancé this. Let me know who them here.
Me see it. Congratulations, man. Congratulations.
What you can say.
Thank you.
That is it. For 2 more roast chat.
Pat, you have a glove, Pat? Who has a glove for me? Somebody has a glove for me, please, and thanks.
Hey, my people, me not lie still, you know. Tik Tok police make sure my draw closer to the yard and the car. You know what I mean? So any minute now a problem between him and Jagger over that the car there. Cause me know him a go and drive it and even drive it go back a town same way. And me know say Jagger now go on that. But who have the license for talk still, you know, my people. If him not a license, if Jagger not a license, and the man we have license for control the vehicle till Jagger get a license. Wanna think. Me know wanna think because me know say that car go cause problem between Jagger and Tik Tok police. Big woman thing, me I tell you no. Believe me. So we watch some more my people and we gonna go over on to the next them a clown Lando.
Somebody who have the glove, put it out, please, and thanks.
Triple chat.
Stacy, thank you.
Guys, use the triple chat.
When I have no gloves, sure somebody have one for you know.
Triple.
Use the triple, guys.
Triple. Use the triple. What did they look like?
Hey, baby, Anna, I see you, babe. Jagger, stop. That take it on us, Chat, use the triple, guys. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Oh, God. Okay, look up, Jagger,
hold on, let me sit, you know. Hold on there, bro. Hold on there.
Thank you, guys. Everybody, double tap chat.
Jagger, you can't drive so good on. Yeah, so please. We're not in a rush, bro.
This thing, no, 3 person in the front. We don't know where you're talking about.
Chat, they love chat. 3 person up here front. Chat, shoot.
You are no.
Since when I know you.
Okay, so Alex, I'll get for you. You might want to right there. You want to use that. Yes.
Pull up in the RDA, be a feelings in my car. Pull up in the RDA, I don't trust nobody. Pull up in the RDA, 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 RDA.
Pull up in the RDA, I don't trust nobody.
Pull up in the RDA, be a feelings in my carry.
You want to see me there, sir? Jagger, me watching you?
Yeah, man, we have a Jagger, man. Hopefully I see red dirt. Country, they know. Guys, push up the score, chat. Push up the score, chat. Push up the score. Push up the score, chat. Push up the score. Push up the score, chat.
Guys, see there? I buy everything for cooking dinner, alright? Yeah, so join me in our kitchen.
Yeah.
Yo, Alex, yeah, drive, bro.
Show the score, chat. Snipe, 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 snipe.
Alex, you.
Yeah, come on.
I'm not drive with you.
Me not drive.
You not drive bad money. Be nice. Yeah, sister. No, but you not drive bad. Me like you driving.
I'm married! I'm going to Atadami. It's really expensive. All the clothes are lying. I'm married! I just you pin me for my finger.
You still live on your finger?
Would I show them a ring, but it carrot too heavy. It gold for it too heavy, girl. Diamond shot.
Me see, you know, so me see it on your finger when me done there.
Girl, the diamond is big.
It's big.
Right. What's that one? Love me.
Bud. Chat. Bud.
They go on with their ring. We don't want their ring.
That way, Anigan. I can't drink, she can't take off.
I want mommy gun. My phone are dead. And you give this. I have a fence ring. She called from
Let me show you the ring. I'm like a chat.
yeah, come guys, let me card.
I'm going to ring this up. So my ring big and broad. So my ring big. No, not sure.
Fix it, girl. Fix it.
Yeah, fix it.
Ring mash up.
Fix it, bro. $1 million ring this not chat.
Right now, girl, if me catch it, I ring be gone off for your rasping. Never be back.
But not true, chat. I'm bad ring this, you know. $1 million ring this, you know, chat. If you don't like it, don't put the ring on it. Not.
Alright, my people. So, I'm gonna run through the rest of this. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Cause them are gonna clone Lando, you know. You know what I mean? Say him a ball and one bag or something. But me feel like say Lando genuine. You see me? And him ball in them way him a do. Me feel like say him really, you know what I mean, want something with Annie. Big woman thing. You know what I mean? But everybody have them faults still. Nobody is perfect. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think.
What can I say? You can't do it from a foot. Me a bad chat. Just saying, I'm stressed. Nobody no want her. Jesus Christ. Tears, man. Alright, man. You're gonna make me cry. You're gonna make me cry, girl. Everything good to you. My marriage. I'm far away from home. Titi, you know me very anyway. Mute your mic. Father God, why are you looking for the fashion? Oh God. Kitty, where you bad man? Father God. Please stop. Okay, I know you're not going to tell me you're happy for me and you start making up. You're ugly like you get cute when you're bad. What is that? Yes, people say you're ugly. Watch it, you're bugger, you're that's why you're bad. And you're like, no, me uglier when you cry. No, you feel like my man from the roadside when you're bad, you know? Oh, baby.
Wedding. No, me there. Got me night cake. I like wedding.
Me not eat cake neither.
Me glad me not eat cake. So me not... Cause people go away if you do I eat cake. You like cake? Too bad. Me said like it's just me don't know yeah the people them bring down each other and this me don't know last week Anya Lando this week Anya no me can't keep up people. I cannot. Me can't keep up.
I come back again.
It's crazy. Me don't know how guys, me don't know how people pass certain boundaries with when people telling us certain things and we not sit down back with them and talk to them. Me don't know how we not do it. That none of my DNA. One word you tell me and me can't ever look for you in life again. Me don't know how we not do it, people. I don't know how we not do it. Me don't know how people be telling us certain things I wanna sit down and talk to them again in life. One word you tell me in a life, I will never ever talk to you again in a life. No, sir. Not even that. Not even in that mood to talk to you. One word you tell me, and I can't forget that one word there. I cannot.
That is wrong, so.
One thing you do me or you tell me, and I cannot forget it. Me can't. Listen, man. I cannot. I don't care if we make money together. No, I don't want to see you. Every time I see her, I hear about you. It's like me remember what you say and do all over again. Guys, that's one thing I don't have. I don't have forgiveness. I don't know if I ever get it. Can I get too old right now? So I don't think I ever get it. I don't have forgiveness, and it's just the truth. Cause you know, do the same thing to me twice. No. Oh, I don't know, girl. No, it's subscription. Everybody subscribe the same way. As them things that will happen on the internet, me some line with some people cross with other people. No dear, me will never do. No dear. Want me here and the police class each other.
But you have to remember say Annie start the class in a
it no matter who started or we no matter who started it starts the disrespect. How them people take disrespect for invitation. I cannot do it. I cannot. It no matter who started. When I date one man, no man is supposed to disrespect. I tell you about you underneath. I tell you about this and I tell you about that. No, sir. The new age people, I don't know where they come from. No. It no matter who started or who never started. Guess what?
Yes, sir. And I tell him more than it hurting feelings, but I tell her back.
Isn't that right?
Woman mouth light, you know.
No, sir. Not a life. Me never hear them something that I TikTok. Me gonna hear people because people are tell them man and woman together. They might tell each other about the underneath. Me never hear that growing up. At TikTok, me gonna hear that. But me say Jesus. Me think all in a movie them and something happen. No man, people live differently on TikTok. I never hear them listen there. Not my life. I grow up.
Can't see them one another. Then just not a boundary.
Man and woman, of course, you gotta tell woman say the under them stink and them this. Me say police are cause I'll Annie Pitney them. You're crazy. Who you? No, sir.
You know, so me not really watch them. I don't like that.
I hear people. Me not watch them, but people say it. And you know, like something you say, yeah, I think talk some things about her. All our kids them in talk about. You're crazy, man.
You know, say Lando, me see video with Lando at this them up.
No man, him this them up to police and it's up and the kids them too. Him this them up too.
It two of them, this Annie and her picnic them, both Lando and Tik Tok police. But Lando bring more to the table when it come to like take care of them something them people. Lando spend pan Annie spend pan Tik Tok police. I saw it go. You know what I mean? But I don't think the picnic them like either of them still. What me feel like say since of lately them prefer Tik Tok police. You know what I mean? Maybe because him more famous and Lando complain when him buy him grocery and them near me town. So maybe that's why them not too like Lando. But me know what to think with people. Go watch some more.
No, sir. Me no know people.
I only see video when me hear myself, like me that say, send the one sitting on it like about school or something, but me never really see none way, me that really like, go hard, like, go hard. Me never, like when neither one go hard. Never did
It's
that
just weird to me, chat. It weird. Me no know how I do it, but it weird. I cannot. And I will never ever. You're crazy. For some coins when I stay with you. Because all of them money when them I met now stay with them. Not one of them the money that I stay with. The money I run left them so fast.
So Alice is not comfortable with the car. She disappointed.
Me no know what she's about the car.
She disappointed because the car start get problems so early. Like.
So what should they expect? A 20-year-old car, what should they expect?
But you have good 20-year-old car, but not them.
Which part you find good 20-year-old car? Unless you own it for 20 years.
American Abbey, if I want good somebody have it, not people who rev out car. You have people who care car and you have people who mash up.
Then you don't really buy one 20-year-old car? Tell me people live in Jamaica, who not really buy one 20-year-old car?
You know one man with one car and that the man they have a car more than 20 years.
No, but I'm saying that's different. That him having, him know what, that's different. If you have a car for 20 years, and you probably have the car when it's brand new, and you know how you treat the car, but me now pick up my $1 million, $1 million. I'm buy one car.
Something different she should have buy. She should have buy one something there when I carry them where everybody a drive.
Look how much car there Jamaica now.
Yeah, she shouldn't buy that. Might be the name and then go to boots and say, you know, buy your already buy. You understand? And then she get giddy and take it, but she shouldn't buy that. I'm glad he get rid of it too. Can't nobody really ever buy that from him so easy. Let's have one mechanic.
Not even they pass, nobody don't want to let them car. How much people Jamaica have Audi?
Yes, I say unless I want mechanic that buy, so I'm glad he get rid of it.
20-year-old, 2005 and now a 20-year that, And I'm telling you, like every time she drive the car overheats.
I tap out on the road.
What kind of, what's happening? Tell you, it's Tik Tok, yeah. Listen. And if somebody they go to Annie and say, Annie, if they go say, Annie, nobody buy the car from such man, right? When she done cuss you. When she done cuss you, carry, when you buy car in the United States, when you buy used car, you buy as it is. That is it. Thanks, sister girl. When you buy car, I just say go. You buy as is. You can once you take it, anything where you come with you, they on your own. You know when you used to watch Judge Judy, when people go to Judge Judy, say there's nothing I can do. You buy the car, a used car. Used car not come with warranty, you buy as is.
Some people get a bad buy. Some people get a bad buy. Some
people get one good buy too, and some people get one bad buy. Some people get lucky.
When I buy used car, I go buy from an old couple.
If you buy used car too, you have to buy one car from somebody. Don't buy one car when somebody will have one car. You have to buy when somebody will have all 3-4 car. They don't drive it too much.
That is a next thing.
Yeah, you can buy because you can buy. All right, somebody have one car, you know, so they every day, especially when you live in a one state, where you know, so they drive every day.
You have to buy from that road. Once in a blue mode.
You cannot buy one car with somebody use for them everyday purpose, like an everyday car. They carry go through all heap, you know. It's still on New York where road them so freaking bad. You can buy car from people. I'm spoiled. See a big dog today.
No, she did.
She just come. She just said it hurt me.
I mean, I look on the phone now game. I sit down and play on the phone on the table.
Oh yes, play a game. May I tell you? But people, the internet make we so desensitized to things. Everything now we see a prank. Everything we see a prank.
You watch
Like
it this morning?
no, not too long. Me just come on TikTok and me just scroll and me see one live and me just say Rockstone and just click me live. Me never watch nothing. Me
I'm
scroll.
gonna video this morning.
Wait, the video play? Me go here now.
So people, all who I go and I'm telling you something, would I give Lando more props because him a more father figure than TikTok police. You see me I say the youth them know I think him maybe him are the only father figure. Enough of them picnic they even know. You see me I say 'cause a long time him and Annie there. You see it and him play a role, a fatherly role to them. Like provide for them certain way. You know what I mean? But me know all the think my people go watch some more.
You can't play that so with me there.
Oh, you can play. Oh. Mr. The video you make when you call Shibada, that one they funny.
One like that too, I part 2 like that.
It post part 2. That one there. Guys, you don't see that video there?
I post part 2.
Oh, you post part 2, baby. Go watch it. Oh, my iPad. Them need to get up and find me. You didn't know say today Independence Day. You don't say me never know.
Never ask if people not send me it, me no remember. Or people send me it.
Somebody said they saw it.
Yeah, people send me it on TikTok. I'm sorry, right, today I 6. I mean, I think I 9 plus Spice birthday. I never know say I 6 neither.
I 6 you want, man. You love the one with our granddaughter. Guys, remember the birthday match, you know, everybody come with one wheel. At least one wheel and I can pick something from the zoo. Tuesday, guys. Tuesday, the birthday match. Everybody come with one wheel. $21. And I can pick something out of the zoo if you don't feel rich. Pick something out of the zoo. Tuesday. Don't forget, guys. You need to start when you gonna start get the gloves them.
Good morning. Morning everybody. You know see the screen record them. Mr. Donna live for me. I don't know why King Donna live for me. But me want Donna me want you ease me up and rest me. You don't talk to me, I don't talk to you. Please leg on my shirt, me I beg you. Because you see when you have your moment, nobody never they discredit you, nobody never they bring you down. I'm want your leg off of my shirt. Because it's like say, me can't get a break over here. But this is a man, me just come on. Me just come on.
Is your account second account? Or did you change your name?
Me change my name, mommy.
It's been a long time I didn't play with you.
Me just come on, man. Me I build up first and then come back and play with you. Me I play there today.
Today you gonna play with me?
Yeah, man, for sure. You know me not telling no lie. Me just come on and I build up my views. Me just click me live and I build up my views. Me soon come.
Okay.
You know me not cheat you. Me go play with you, my friend.
Okay.
I die my same one, man. I mean same one. I'll be back, my friend. You know I'm not telling you no lie, my friend.
I wish so. I hope so you back.
I'll be back, my friend. I'm not doing that today, okay?
Okay.
Yes, my friend. I'm gonna tell you something. People. You see, Donna, a long time Donna tried this off of me. You know, through one time they say me saying frozy. But through them they say me saying frozy, me did say something true. Me avoid when me hear my talk. Me see me when in a willy situation when the girl come out. Donna try to bring me down and talk some facey things. Me see it, me ignore him. Donna come back again, multiple screen record I live for me. Donna me a big leg on my shirt. You understand me? Because first you go there for screen record, I die I look the man. You always go like you can't discredit me like you know something about me, true me not answer you down. I me just ignore you. But you go too far now and then you have your people them knowing in the chat. You spend time people adjust you and talk about you know. The people them go say, oh, a joke down here make and I love take things serious. Don't make no joke. Don't love this type of people. Because first thing you say, I damn I look the man them. Don't like Mr. Don't go always a try to discredit me. I go come. Oh, I fake this and fake that. Don't be a beg you leave me alone. When I feel a moment with few people them. Nobody never want to discredit you. Nobody not busy boy. Everybody live in your moment. Just leave me alone at my moment. Don't because I don't want to argue with you. I don't want to argue with you. So just rest my name. You don't talk to me. I don't talk to me. I don't call your name. You don't call my name. A whole heap of time I disappoint for me, I ignore you. You know what I make through one time. They say me say you frozen. But me did say you frozen if it's true. So when I come and talk, me just ignore you. But I think they go past your limit and I live for me. I don't like when people live on me. So me I beg you don't talk to me, I don't talk to you, leave me alone. Because when I have your moment, nobody ever discredit you and talk about you. Because you go to contact, but I must die, I look demand them. Don't you know something about me? You always go like you know something about me. You always go like you know something about me. Don't you know no secret for me, you know nothing about me. Me see they already there upon live a chat about oh you know the man name and this and that. Don't you know nothing about me, just come on internet and see me as upon internet and hate one and two few people that talk about me on internet when they want to talk say. I just when people I just don't know few set of people them out talk say oh don't you know mean nothing now not take it serious. Don't I mean something. You just a discredit me, I just a talk things. Don't you can't tell me about fake clothes and fake shoes in the don't you. Don't you remember say for me a 5-year-old me a vendor. Me know fake for real, don't you. But don't you know we're nothing real. The store we always advertise for. A good China knock off then sell. You know we're nothing real. So what you worry about what me want to get for? That the youth them a try showing up on you so I don't know stop. You know what the two brothers them come for showing us say? Only if you stop bring down woman. And yet still you not rest. Like how you not like girl? You try to bring me down in so many ways and me to ignore you. And you're not done because you want me answer. I'm going to tell myself that I don't want really cuss for life again because we are doing the cussing segment. That's why I'm going to talk you now. Because I'm not cussing time, you know. The internet I get back nice, a relationship I keep. Don't know when they keep for your relationship, but never when they bad mind you. Nobody never when they talk, don't put nobody in the trouble. Everybody left make I get your moment. Me I beg you don't leave me. I'ma keep in my moment. Everybody have their time. Sometimes we up, sometimes we down. Don't arrest me now. Ease up off of me near. You don't like me. Rest me. You understand me? If the boy want to buy fake shoes, it don't really matter. The boy I just a try showing us say, woman we get treated good. And this the brothers them a try. The brothers them a try take me this for uno stop don't degrade woman and talk bad about woman. Cause you see first thing you gonna come by life gonna say, I must die my look the man. Don't you know something about me? You dey talk like you know something about me down and the way you approach your things for me. You dey talk like me a fuck a girl. And every man may come out and me look them. I saw you make things look like you have secret for me, sir. I want to ask you. Cause you just live for me, so man and my sister. Everywhere me turn for one scream record down there, you dey live for me. If you notice me no want cuss with you, so why you fight to cuss with me? All the way I live for me, I ignore you, you know. And when you look at vibes and you go with you and Willie and the brown girl come out and the brown girl over your life, you start ask a wish and I demand them. Like you know something about me. Don't you behave like me take your father, your brother, your uncle. And you behave like me a fuck a girl. And you behave like you have one whole client that if you pull for me, don't you? And you go on and on and on and I ignore you. And you not rest. Every scream record me touch down you there for me. A diamond look the man. A fake shoes them because I see diamond look down for me. Don't you know wear nothing real. Nothing at all we wearing real don't you. The store we always advertise somebody good China fake themselves. Don't you can't tell me about clothes and shoes. Don't you if you see me now want fake and me feel like we're a suck your mother clothes because me no hype. Don't you for me a 5 me a vendor. You can't tell me nothing about real and fake. I know everything about clothes. Don't I mean this store we always advertise where you buy from, them not sell nothing at all real. Nobody not quarrel with you. So if I want to get one fake boot, don't know where you make it bad for my boy. I beg you do my boy, let go my shirt. Let go my shirt because you want to hold me down. Positivity me I do, don't know.
The people, let me tell you this man. You see in life you have to know, say yo, you can't be the aggressor or be the first person to throw a stone. And then when the stone start throw back at you, you know what I mean? You run or you retreat or you say no, don't do this, don't do that, you're gone too far. No, and so it go. from you start something, whatever the other person want do, you know what I mean? It's up to them how long them want drag you. It's up to them because them never trouble you first. You see what I say? Cause some people them now go take no look at this for nobody. Them a go clap back right through till them feel satisfied. I just saw the real work, you know what I mean? So when Daima say I know say yo King Donia for this and that, Daima she can what I say I know she can be the one to say don't know. You know what I mean? Him have to done when him feel like I just saw things said. But let me know one of things still. But on a level still most of these TikTokers them just use whatever people say about them to be relevant and also to keep them people entertained. Them not really mean nothing by it to that. You see what I say? But let me know what you think. We want some more.
I got my shirt. The app nice, you know. How we a keep serious, how we a keep dating site, how we a do what we a do. Nobody try if it draw me out, cause I don't know me idiot, I don't like when people live for me. Because I see one screamer can make it pass. When me look, me see 3, 4, 5 like every night they run out for me. Then the people them go say, oh, no take everything serious because don't wanna take nothing serious. Don't wanna disrespect people and then you go say don't wanna take nothing serious. Don't wanna go talk about must die, look the man. That's not no joke. I regular don't wanna go like me a fuck a girl. Uno go like uno can hurt people feelings at all times. Uno go like uno can talk down on people at all times. And uno go like uno think nobody not no feelings. Don't want me not take no set by you one time. I say you're frozy. And me leave you alone. So not take no set by me. And me did say something true. Cause at the time I did smell you frozy. I don't know if you're regular frozy now, but that time I did smell you never lie me at tell. And the pass and gone. Cause one time I see Zuma saying go keep party with me. So you come out and scream record. Me not go to Dima because I know Dima say me frozen. Me not answer you cause I'm in trouble you. Me leave it. You come back multiple times, you chat up your mouth. Me see when me a willy situation and the brown girl come over your life, you start asking the brown girl which I demand them like you know something about me. Me see up, me ignore you. Me call dummy, me say dummy listen to me. Take me out to your court case. Just leave me name out to your court case. Me I beg you do and tell your friend, just leave me and nobody put me on a court case and trouble me because me not trouble no. Me did say it to dummy, me did say it to you at the time cause them time and dummy went close. Me call dummy on the phone because me have your number. Me say dummy, please me I beg you not put me on the court case, just leave me out on the business because me not interfere with you no. You get your moment over here and when I have your moment and I shine, nobody never worried for your moment. So me I beg you the little moment me get you and go on because me not go stay long because I know forever it's soon water down. So me I beg you my boy, leg on my shirt and ease me up because me not really I want to cuss you. Me not really want to cuss you. And you know me idiot, I mean I like when people take set for me. Because you don't talk to me and I don't talk to you. And when I don't talk to people, I don't call them name. I leave them alone. Me I never really have nothing big. Me and somebody we used to par with, have a little altercation. You malice me. Remember, you know, unfollow me or nothing. You know, me leave you alone. And me remove your followers. Me remove it. Cause you stop playing with me and I do not me leave you alone, me not trouble you. So what I do, I just remove my followers and I stay in my lane and I allow you alone. Notice I don't call your name, I leave you alone. Me I beg you leave me alone. This the youth them I try show no understand. Me I talk it calm because me no calm such a girl error and me not really want cuss. The youth them are showing us if you top bring no the woman them. Top live for we. And you still a live for me. You dey talk about the boot fake and this and that. Don't you can't tell me about clothes because don't you know wear nothing was real. If you put on a real clothes now, don't you must train a foreign and go in a one store. Don't remember say this store where you advertise for at all times. A fake then sell a good China fake. Don't me a vendor for me a 5-year-old. None of you parents can tell me about real or fake King Donor. If you see me now suck your mother clothes donor, me want to wear suck your mother clothes donor. Because me no hype. You not tell me nothing donor me a vendor store me have a long time me a sell clothes. Me no real and fake. I want store where you advertise donor where you get your clothes them from. A good China then sell. Them not sell nothing real. So what your problem? And right now, China they run the place. So if the youth want buy me one shoes down here, why it affect you if you real or fake? Love me accept my success now. When me am over here, no disrespect me, I say me am. Now somebody come and I try treat me good for make me feel good. You still want me feel bad in myself. Don't arrest me, my boy. Me I beg your leg on my shirt, me not trouble you. And your people them go see how we are taking that serious and you not take nothing serious. When I'm in a tag team over here, don't nobody never when they banter you. Nobody never went back banter when they tag team. Nobody when they bring you, nobody when they banter you. When they tag team, whenever you come out, you can go in your business. I leave you alone. You come over here already, you chat, oh, me don't know the man name. And you talk something down and me ignore you. Notice me as I ignore you? Me ignore you because I don't want to argue with you. So me ask you do down and leg on my shirt now. Mommy live the little moment in peace. Remember, me not used to boy to give me nothing. Remember, me always a give. So, me just take the little moment where the boy give me a fame. Because remember, I probably not last for 1 2 weeks or so. I don't know how long it go last over here, so. So, me just enjoy my moment of fame. I enjoy my gifting. Whether I real or fake, me just enjoy it. You understand me? Me enjoy my fake gift them. In peace, don't you? Me I beg you, leave me alone. You don't talk to me, I don't talk to you. I remove your followers just to not trouble you, just to not buck up in you. You understand what me I say? So me I beg you one time, I me say something boy, you me say you're frozen, I me did smell you frozen if it's true at the time. Me don't know if you're regular frozen, but the one time I did smell you if it's true. And me did say so if it's true. So me not say me hold you and me leave it alone. So when you come back out now, I mean go like you want 1 and 2, 1 drop on me. Me love it cat through me say you froze. Me know say you make me 1 drop on me. So me love it, but you they go overboard. You know, you not arrest me. Every screamer call me go up on my boy, me see up on me. So here what king doing ya? Me I beg my boy left me. Cause all of we wear fake. All of we wear fake. All of we. What are we wear suck your mother clothes? And right now, at China League, because I'm in America fake back there. And at the real store, they want to say real fake back there. So here, you know, the whole, you see right now, the world is living in a fake world we live in. So my boy, I'm going to just enjoy with fake life. And go on with it. So here what me I say, after today, me I beg you leave me out your screen record them. Because I not trouble you. Because you make me feel like me heavy. When you live for me, boy, I feel heavy. So me I beg you fan today, just leave me alone. You don't talk to me, I don't talk to you. So here what king doing ya, you go your ways, me go mine. Understood? I don't want to cuss with you. So me know why you go like I can discredit me and try to disrespect me and try to bring me down, and then your people them go run up on me, them go run up on me, and then them go say, oh, you not take nothing serious and everything we take serious. You disrespect me, you try to discredit me. Cause you love go like me a fuck a girl, and you go like you know something about me, and you go like you all your friend them fuck me, your father, your uncle, and say you behave. Cause here we go say, please, make peace reign. Yeah, man, I want to look at song up here, man. I'm going to go for my box. I beg you, make peace reign.